Well, from now on, from this video, I'm introducing a new series which is in which we will learn about Python, market pattern, basic function, and we will design a highly new program into it. So let's start with the introduction of Python. Python is a high-level programming language. First, we have to understand what is a programming language. Programming language is a language for example, like we communicate with each other, with other humans, using English, Hindi, or many other languages. So, to communicate with the computers or the system which we are using for the electronics, we use many programming languages like Python, C++, and these are called programming languages. So now, for a beginner, you should start with Python. So why Python? First of all, Python is a simple and readable language, which means that there are very simple syntax, very small syntax in this language, and is a broad range of libraries. Libraries that multiple codes are present in library in which we can use again and again. So we don't have to write many codes to define because there are many functions built-in functions in the Python. So first we will know how to install the Python. So we are the Brave. We will use the Brave library and okay, so here we will write download, sorry, download Python, okay, and download on Python, download for you. Now we will open this and now the Windows on the very first Python says download Windows installer 64-bit. We will click on the desktop. Okay. So, so now we are installing the Python. So now it is completed. So we will come here. We will click on this. Now you have to check on this both the path. Check on this both and now install Python. Yes, it will take a couple of minutes to complete the installing process. Till then, we have to download one more software which is VS Code. And VS Code is a IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment where we can code the program in Python. VS Code. On the very first link, you have to click and download for Windows. Desktop. Save. Okay, so it is about 119 MB. So it is taking us quite heavy time. So once it is downloaded, I will be come back to you again. Okay, guys. So we have successfully installed the Python. Just we have to install this VS Code and then we are good to go. Oh, okay, guys. So the VS Code is also installed, successfully installed. Now we just download it. Okay. Now we have to install from it. Mm, okay. Accept the agreement. Mm, and next, create a desktop icon. Install. So now the setup is installing the VS Code. Okay, okay. Now VS Code is successfully installed. Now we will create a new folder here to just where we will store all the programs that we code in the VS Code. So like we will get this folder as Python. Okay, now we okay. Now we will go ahead. Yes, yes, then we will mm, mm, maybe, okay. So now, we will not open this. Is it, okay, so when you will open the VS Code, it will look like this. So here you have to click on the open folder. And now from here you have to go where do you created that folder. So I have created it on the desktop. So I click on the desktop here and then I got my folder. I will go and select this folder. Okay. Now the Python folder is open. I will just click on this and it will come here. So I have to first of all the folder is not open here, which means if you put it click again, so the arrow becomes in the arrow came into the download direction. So I could add my new program. So I will add my first program, my first. Oh, sorry. Okay, my first, my first program dot py. So as you can see here, the py is the extension. Dot py is the extension of the Python. For example, like for the video file, we have an extension of .mp4. For music file, we have an extension of .mp3, and for HTML file, we have an extension of .html. For just like that, the Python has a extension of .py. So as I write .py, Python logo comes here. If you can see, uh, the extension is not as I read .py, see the Python is staying. Now here we can now code the Python. Okay. Well, before coding, we will install an extension for Python, which is we will go here from in the left hand side. So this is the Explorer option. This is the search option. This is the source control option. This is the run and debug option. And here we have to download the extension. We will add here Python. Okay. Just a second. Let's go and Python. Actually, my network connection is slow. That's why it's taking time. Okay. So we got the result, and now we will click on here. So this is the Python, and now here we will. It is already installed, so we will uninstall it, and then again we will install. Okay. This is the logo for the Python. Now we'll come here. We will we'll come here for the Python now. Okay. Okay. So here we will write the Python like we will print a program like a hello world print hello world. Okay. Now and now here so as we have written this code, now we will go on the top right corner. There is a play sign over here which means to run the code in the terminal which we have written here over in IDE. So here in the terminal and now here you can see we have just the print hello world. We have got the word hello world option. Now congratulations guys, you have completed your first program over here, Python program. And now from the second video onwards, we will do some more coding. There.